Yo, bro, you're so cooked. The exam is tomorrow and you have a 10-hour lecture to go through.
Alright, let me show you, because I'm not actually cooked. I got this 10-hour YouTube video, but of course I'm not gonna watch all of that. I just go to nonotes.ai, live lecture, click YouTube video, and then paste the link. Here I create it, then I get a full transcription of the YouTube video to the left. I can ask questions to the right.
What?
I can even review flashcards for further studying. And that's when I use Active Recall to ace all my exams. So the YouTube video, that's no problem for me.